Hey everyone, this is also Mokabayashi from Zen Ideas. Now in today's video, I'd like to show you how to import CPT custom post type from CSV file. In this tutorial, you will need this all import, WP all import. And unfortunately, I have to use paid version because I have to import a custom field types. All right. But you don't need any this JetEngine add-on. So any add-on, you don't need that for this tutorial. All right. So let's get started. Now, I have already created the CPT, which is funding opportunities. And there's nothing in here. So let's go to JetEngine and the CPT post type. And then right here, and I have some meta field too, so I need to import those. All right, and also I already have prepared a spreadsheet. This is Excel or numbers, and then we need to convert into a CSV file. Now, quickly explain this to you. I got the category here, and then program name, which is I use title, and then yes, funder's name, sectors, that's taxonomy as well. And deadline, the deadline date format, and then descriptions. I'm going to be using the content field right here. Okay, and then most of them are just a text field. Okay, so let's export this into CSV file, and you need to pick Unicode UTF-8 for text encoding. Okay, and hit save. And then hit and save the desktop and replace that. Okay. So let's go to plugins. I already installed and activated WP import right here. All right. And then you will see all import. So I'm going to start a new import here. And then I'm going to upload the file, which is this is CSV file. Let's drag and drop here. Okay, and then create this custom post type funding opportunities. Okay, and then set up import. Now, once you imported the file, CSV file, it kind of generate those mapping field. And then let's drag and drop. So this is title section. So I'm using, this is the program title. Just drag and drop here. And then the description is right here. I'm just drag and drop onto this content box. Now, I don't have any images for this one, but I do have custom field, which is created by JetEngine. And here I have to put the name and the value. For the value section, you can just drag and drop. Like funder's name, you can just drag and drop the value here. But the name is you have to go to post type here. So this is the funding opportunity, post type. And here's a meta field. I have 5 meta field. And then you just copy name ID here. Okay, and copy that and then paste on this. So I gotta add, I think 4 more. Okay, the next one is, let's go to application deadline data format. So name ID, copy and paste, and then date format, drag and drop onto value field. And the next one is eligibility, copy that, paste, and then drag and drop. And the next one is information URL link, and copy the name and drag and drop onto value field. And the last one is application deadline, which is text. And the same thing, deadline here, going to just drag and drop. I think that's everything. Now, next one is taxonomy categories. So funding types, let me just show it to you. I have funding types, federal, provincial, municipal, but provincial and municipal, I have a child categories too, like city name here. Okay, so I want to import that. So so this one has hierarchical parent-child funding types. Okay, so click this. Element contains, my file contains the entire hierarchy. Okay, so it's like that, sports, golf, club, patterns. Okay, with the bracket here. So I'm using this, and then category type, drag and drop, and I'm using this symbol, same symbol, and then right here. All right, and then next one is funding sector. Now this funding sector, I have multiple. Like some has seniors, social inclusion, youth community engagement, right? So I have to pick, yeah, each funding opportunities has multiple funding sectors, okay? And then this one is sector taxonomy. So this one, and then separate by, I'm using semicolon. Let's double check. Yeah, use semicolon, okay? All right, so I think that's good. And then there you go. So these other funding opportunity options, so I'm going to leave it as it is. I don't need to change this. Okay. And then let's go continue to import settings. All right. So that the unique ID is, yeah, program title is okay. They're all unique. So I'm good with that. All right. So I think that's good. So let's go continue. All right. So let's try that. Confirm and run import. All right, so it's only 14 records, so taking like 5 seconds. So let's check it out. All right, so let's take a look. Okay, so that's working. Yeah, so this is working. And then categories, yes, those are selecting 2 sectors, and that's okay. It's working here. And then, so this Ontario Trillium Foundation, this has child categories too. So I want to make sure it's working. Okay, selecting multiple. All right, so now has potential and the child category is selected too. So it's working great. All right, so that's it. Yeah, I hope this is helpful. I know this is kind of simple, but I couldn't find a good tutorial from WP All Import website. So that's what I thought I'm gonna just, I have to do this anyway, and I'm gonna just record my screen and then, just like to share with you guys. All right, so thank you for watching and see you next time.